For this assignment, you are going to click right here, and it's going to open up a new window, and the game will appear right here, but there will be an ad that plays for 15 seconds. So you're going to have to let that play. And after you do level 1, there's 10 questions in level 1, you're going to need to take a screenshot. I have inserted pictures here of how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook and how to take a screenshot on a computer. Now, if this does not work for the particular device that you're working on, I suggest doing a Google search and figuring out what exact type of computer and making a little more descriptive search in Google, and you'll learn how to take a screenshot. This is not loading, so let me refresh this. Here's the ad. Oh, this one's going to play for 30 seconds. The last one I did had 15, so I apologize for that. Once you're ready to turn in this assignment, you're going to click Submit Assignment. And down here, I gave you 2 different options. One is the file upload. So if you screenshot that picture and you save that to your computer, you can choose to upload that file here. You click on Choose File, it opens a box here, and you pick the file that you want to upload. You're going to have to do 2, so then you're going to have to click on Add Another File and do it for the second set of 10 questions. The other option that you have is text entry. And this is just an empty box here where you could paste your screenshot. So once you take the screenshot, you can come over here and right click and click paste, and your screenshot will appear, and then do that a second time when you finish the second set of 10 questions, and then come down here and click Submit Assignment. Going back to the assignment, after the ad plays, it automatically goes to the questions. So this is what your screen's going to look like. The first question here is, what is the mean round to 1 decimal place? So you find the mean of this list of numbers, type it in the box, and down here you'll either get an X for if you get it wrong, or you'll get a green check if you get it right. So what I'm looking for is a screenshot of these 10 boxes filled in on level 1 and on level 2.